So recently I found this simple pop-out effect is going viral in social media, so decided to share with you the tutorial. So let's start with it. So first I will go to text here and click on add a heading, and here I write LO, and after that I will just make it bigger. Okay, and change the font to Alpha Slab 1, this one. Okay, and in the next line I will write V. Okay, so I will use a straight line here so that I can understand the margins here. Okay, and I will just make it bigger like this, and I will just middle it. Okay, and after that I will just remove the margin and use R to activate a square here, and after that I will just arrange the square, just zooming it. Okay, and I will just duplicate it and paste it again here so that both are in the same size. Okay, and I will just extend it till here, and also this one. Okay, so when this is done, just one trick you have to use in Canva, because many a times I have found that these two lines are going up hand side or down hand side. So one trick you have to maintain is that hold these two rectangles only by pressing on shift. Okay, and you move it one step up. Just press one time in the keyboard to move it one step up, and your line will be aligned. This time you can see that it is not aligned, but when you download it and re-upload it, it will be aligned. Okay, so like this. And for the couple image I will be using this one, okay, which I have downloaded from pexels.com. Okay, now I will click on share, click on download, make sure you download it as PNG and click on download. Okay, just click on add page and just re-upload it. Okay, and for the background I will use this image. So the image says neon background. Okay, and I will just bring it here, and as you can see, as I told you, it will be aligned, and now you can see it is perfectly aligned. Okay, and now I will just click on apps, click on here and write blend, and click on blend image. And for the bottom layer I will use this one, and for the top layer I will use this one, and make sure the blend mode is in screen. Okay, so when this is created, click on add page and just click on add to design. Okay, and just make it bigger. Okay, now you have to click on BG remover to remove the background, as it has a white background here. And after that, click on edit and scroll down to find shadows, click on drop and scroll down here to find this settings. You can just change it here. So I will just increase the blur amount to 25. Okay, and keep rest of them same, and just click outside. Now I will just make it slightly bigger. Okay, and after that I will go to uploads, and I will just adjust the image. And I will just decrease the transparency to adjust the image, and I will just move it here. Okay, now I will just increase the transparency. Click on BG remover. Okay, now we have to adjust it. So for that I will just move it here once. Just zoom in to work on it clearly. Okay, now I will just duplicate it again, paste it here, and I will just extend it till here. Okay, and now I will just crop it till here. Okay, and also from the sides I will crop it, so it is created here.